Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Amazon Fire HD10 Kids Pro tablet. So here's everything that comes in the box. We do get a power adapter, we get a USB-C to USB-A. You're going to plug this into here, and then you're going to charge it up with USB-C. Okay, let's take a look at the tablet. It's got this little kickstand, and you can use that like a handle too. And you can put it on the front or on the back, but that's really nice, and it's very protected. Okay, up top we got a power button, volume, a microphone. We do have a headphone jack, and that's where you're going to charge it, USB-C. USB-C you can plug in either way, this way or turn it, it doesn't matter which way. And then when we plug the wall charger in, this you do have to plug in one way. This will only go one way, so kind of line up that area and it should go right in. So this is a 9-watt charger. You can plug it into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5.2 volts at 1.8 amps. And the wall charger sticks out 2 inches by an inch by an inch and a half. All right, let's do some measure. The tablet with the case on, that's just a really protective case. About 10.25 inches, and it's about 7.5 inches. And again, to take it out of the case, just kind of peel the case off of it, grab the tablet, and there. It's a 10-inch tablet. So the screen on it is 10 inches, yep. And the tablet itself is about 6.5 by about 9.5. It does have a camera on the back. Again, everything's on the top though. We can expand the storage, so you can put a micro SD card in here to expand the storage, and the speakers are on the left. So again, to put the tablet, you do have to put it in the same way you took it out, because all of the buttons are up at the top. And again, there's what the tablet looks like, the case. So just kind of fit it in and wrap the case around it. You may have to kind of fit it in like that. Okay, so let's turn it on. Hold the power button down for about 3 or 4 seconds and you'll see the Amazon logo. Now you can set it up with the app or manually. Okay, so it's going to ask you if you want to activate the Prime Kid or the Amazon Kids profile. That's a really nice app that the kid can use it, and then you can put an app on your phone and you can monitor and turn the tablet on and off remotely. And they can, they don't have all the permissions. They can't access your account or anything. They can just use the tablet, and you're in complete control of what they do on the tablet with the app that you could put on like your iPhone or another Amazon tablet. Yeah, it says download the Amazon Kids Plus Parent Dashboard. And with it, you can manage the different activities on the app. And so the tablet has a really nice display. It's very fast. We can click on the different apps. We can let them put their own apps on, or we can put the apps on for them. Yeah, this is just a really nice tablet. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.